What's going on, guys? Welcome to the next video in learning Bootstrap step by step. In the previous videos we have done our Bootstrap. So as you guys see here, we have done our carousel interval, and it's a fully functional. As you guys see that if I touch here, it starts moving, it goes to the second picture, it goes to the third picture, and when I press this one, it keeps moving. So it's fully functional. We've got a fully functional website. All right, so in this video we're gonna see Font Awesome. What is Font Awesome? Font Awesome is from Bootstrap. As you guys see in every website nowadays, even in the mobile phones, you guys see these houses, this envelope, this thumbs up, thumbs down. In the Facebook, we see in Twitter, we see almost in every website now one of these fonts. So how do we gonna put our this Font Awesome inside our website? See, instead of this home and product, shop, login, register, my salon, and even in the search, you guys see that the Google and Bing, they have a magnifier here. So how are we gonna install this Font Awesome? As you guys know, the name now is Font Awesome. So we go there at the Font Awesome. If you guys search, and I'm here at version 5.15. 5 is the current version. I'm not sure it's 5.11, 5.15, but it's 5.15. I think it's one of the latest models at the moment, or versions. All right, so you guys go here, and you guys see that it's you guys can go on the start. I'm already here at the start, and it says that on the web or on the desktop. So we are looking to download this Font Awesome. So what I'll do is that I'll go from the beginning. Alrighty, it's opening, and we wait for the Font Awesome websites to open. So I already downloaded because the Windows is a bit slow. That's what I have downloaded and already installed. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So we go quickly through this process. Alright, so as you guys see that it says get more with the Pro. You guys don't want to do with the Pro because we're already learning. Or you guys go here at the downloads, and here at the download Font Awesome 6 beta. Beta, it means that still in production. It's still they're looking for a bug fix, but version 5 is pretty safe because it's already stable. So I'm here at the download and download for desktop and download for web. I'm here at download for web, and it's asking me to sign up. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go a little bit down because I don't want to sign up. I just want to use it. So free for web. And once you guys did this, it's Font Awesome free 5.15.3 web.zip. It's gonna come in. So you guys press OK, and it starts this downloading. The process begins, and because I have already downloaded, you guys see this WinRAR. If you guys got this WinRAR, otherwise you go in this and type into Google. Type WinRAR, and the WinRAR is going to open because it's going to extract this Bootstrap. So what I'll do is I'll open this one. Okay, so the notifier. Okay, so here we are coming here, and you guys go here and extract to, and you guys see your folder tree, and you guys go on local disk. And you guys go on I press this program files. I'll close this because I go to the XAMPP. So I'll repeat again. We go there, extract to local disk, and we go at the XAMPP. We go at the htdocs, because that's our Salon folder is, and we go to assets, and inside assets you guys see that I have already downloaded this Font Awesome Web. So if you guys press OK, it'll go to the same folder. Alright, so once it's done, we close this Font Awesome. You guys, if you guys want to study further, you guys can go and look at here. So once it's done, we're gonna close this. We go to our folder, to XAMPP, to htdocs, and we go here. Where is this Salon? And we go to asset, and you guys see that I've got a Font Awesome Free 5.13 and Font Awesome Web. If I open this, you guys see it's got a CSS, JS, less metadata, SCSS, sprites, SVGs, web fonts. All right. So if I open this, I've got the same things because I have renamed this to Font Awesome Web. So you guys go here and you guys rename this, your Font Awesome folder, to Font Awesome, just Font Awesome, or Font Awesome Web. Up to you. But the reason I did that to make simplify it, so I'll remember. If I've got a Font Awesome folder, I'm going to delete that because I don't need that. I already got this Font Awesome Web. All right, so we begin here. We come here, so we see our downloaded folder, which we already did that. All right, so to use Font Awesome, you guys need to go here and put it here. And if you come here with the CSS, we've got a CSS, you've got all, you've got when I learned Font Awesome and Bootstrap like 5-6 years ago, what we used to do is that we used to go there and pointed our linker to this Font Awesome min CSS, or we used to copy this entire Font Awesome. I believe that was Font Awesome 2 and 3, and the latest one is 4. But now I think they changed it, so they want us to download here to point to this one to all. So what we do is here, see if I go here in my website, say if I go to home, what I'll do is that I already put it there. So if I go here and because I've got FAS, Font Awesome, and here this is Font Awesome, and S stands for solid, FA home. So if I go here, because and if I check my website, I can't see home because my Font Awesome is not working. It's downloaded, but it's not working. I'm going to show you this one because we already know how to put our logo. I've done it just before. So I'll quickly go through that one, how I did that. As we already know in our previous videos that you guys go and put your image, IMG. So I'll do that again. So you guys go and put your IMG source. You guys put your asset, point to this asset, and go to shoplogo.png. Okay, so we go here, asset, shop logo.png, and we put a width 50, our 60, and height is, we put it as 50. That's it, easy. We come here and we check why our so it looks like asset, and after asset is IMG folder, IMG. I forgot that. Okay, so we go and do that again, and you guys see that it's 50 by 50, width and height is 50. You guys can put it bigger if you want, but because this video is about Font Awesome, so how we're going to download. So you guys go here up on your Bootstrap, and after the Bootstrap, you guys put your link and put a href asset, because we're going to come here, Font Awesome Web, to the CSS and all CSS. So if you go here at Font Awesome, Font Awesome Web, and then we go to the CSS and we go all CSS, easy peasy. Alright, so now that we have pointed to this old folder, you guys, I'm not sure if this fontawesome.css or Font Awesome means CSS is still working, but looks like this one covers all. So we go and save this one. We run our site to see if our home is working. So look like asset, there is a spelling mistake here, asset with double S. Alright, so Font Awesome Web, CSS, all CSS. So I hope there is no other spelling mistakes. Alright, so you guys see that I can see the home icon, so it means that my Font Awesome is working. Alrighty, so now that our Font Awesome is working, so we are already pointing to this all CSS. So we begin our Font Awesome. We begin to put our icons here in front of all this product, shop, login, register, my salon, and if we can, we go here and put in front of these ones as well. So what I'll do that the downloading is finished, and we come here. So we in the product we want to put this. So we put a font FAS, Font Awesome Solid. S stands for solid, and FA Home. We used to do that FA here, but because Font Awesome is evolving, Font Awesome is continuously developing. They have a large pool of developers, and I believe if not in millions, is for hundreds of thousands. And they quickly develop this to solid, and I'm going to show you the different Font Awesomes. There is going to be light, solid, and different animations with this Font Awesome icons. So we go here and put our FA Home, FAS FA Home, which is this solid. You guys see this black one here, and on the product, all you guys needs to do is put your eye. So if you guys leave a room here and you put your eye, the eye comes in. Eye is for where we create these icons, and we put a class, and the class is going to be FAS FA. So we put FAS FA tags. So we put our tags, and if we look here, that's our tags showing here. There is a different colors of this because some of these Font Awesome, they categorize this one. Some of them coming for free, some of them coming on a pro, and some of them coming on different categories, but we'll explore all these categories. Alright, so I've done this home, and I've done these tags. So if we check for responsiveness, and you guys see here that home, this is a home showing and the text showing for the product. This means my Font Awesome is working. Alright, that's it for this video, and on the next video I'm going to show you guys how to do all these tags, how to do all these Font Awesomes in to bring all these Font Awesomes around here, and how we manipulate these icons, and it's going to be fun videos. Alright, that's it for this video guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.